All right, this is your video on how to retake your quick quiz. Maybe unfortunately, and at some point in time, you probably will have to retake a quick quiz. But maybe unfortunately, the first attempt didn't go the way that you had hoped or you had planned, and maybe the questions were a little bit more difficult. You didn't know what questions to expect, so now you have an idea on what to expect for your next attempt. We're going to take a look at target number one. So we're going to click down here on target number one, and we are going to go to that. And my computer's going to load a little bit slow. Okay, so when I get to target number one, just because I'm new to Canvas, I tried something a little bit different with you guys, and it has complete all items here listed. Okay, obviously the first thing I have to do is take the quick quiz, and then based off of my score, if I get 4 out of 4, obviously I shouldn't have to do this, and it should allow you to just move on to the next target. If I get a 3 out of 4, that might be something I want to retake. So I want to click here on the proof of practice, and unfortunately I can't do that. And then this is set up for you to score 100% on the proof of practice. So once you've scored 100% on the proof of practice, then the retake will open up right there behind it for you. Okay, so you'll be doing that. If it's not working for whatever reason, let me know, send me an email, and I will get to it as quick as I possibly can. So that is how you retake your quick quiz. Good luck.